Hey friends, I want to get right into it today. We are going to delve into my new Natasha Denona My Dream palette. Look at these beautiful colors. Oh my God. This one is somewhat of a duochrome. It kind of looks gold. There's some purple and brown and mauve shades in it. This is my favorite. I think this one's another one of very sunny gold with some orange and pink tones to it. It's got two pretty soft shimmers. This is like a taupey, and this is like a peachy gold. Softer than these other two, which seem very bright. Here are just a few of the shimmers. This one is called Spontaneous. This one's called Serenity. This is Thrill, and this is Invention. This one is actually somewhat of a duochrome as well, like a tan, peachy, gold. This is that duochrome Vision I was talking to you about. So I don't know, if you can see it, it has a little weird green gray color to it too. This is that tan color, Babies, and this is a color called Risk. It has like a soft satiny sheen to it. This one is the color Risk, and that's that tan shade Babies that I just showed you. And this is Spontaneous, and that one's Thrill and Invention. And let me just show you those again. But just the beautiful colors of these shimmers and how they shine. Here are the mattes. This is Nurture, Familia, and Unity. I'm guessing there's a theme here. And that's what those look like. Nurture, Familia, and Unity. And this is Carpe Diem, Aspiration, Instinct, and Black is Black. This looks more purple. When I look at it, it's kind of like a purpley pink, but here they are. Of course, the Black is Black, Instinct, Aspiration, and then there's this color, this purpley color, Edgy, this darkest, almost eggplant color, and that is what that looks like. So let's get into it and do a look. I'm doing the Lease Foundation. I'm not using primer or anything today because most days I just don't feel like it. I have a code in the comments. It is their triple serum foundation. It's skincare and a foundation, but it evens out your skin tone so fabulously. So it treats your skin as well as covering any flaws and imperfections. And my poor under eyes are looking pretty rough. Sometimes when I use lash serums, they tend to make my under eyes red, but it's kind of worth it because the lash growth effect I get with lash serum is pretty incredible. And you have to give it about 2 months using it every day to see results, so you have to be patient. You really have to use it every day. But here is the foundation I am using. Loving the look, loving the wear of it. We are doing the P. Louise eyeshadow base, and this is in Rumor 2. This is the one that a lot of people love. It's sold out a lot of times. Okay, so I took the color Unity, and I am just going ahead and actually patting that above my crease and then blending it out with the Sigma E25 brush. I also go underneath right here and get a little color underneath there as well. And then easy peasy, you can take any one of these shimmers that I swatched for you and put them on the lid. And I'm not sure which one I want to do. I think I'm going to go ahead and do Thrill because I kind of liked the dual tones in this. And I'm just going to pat that on with my finger. That's how easy it is to use this palette. You just can take these shimmers, pat them on with your finger, just like that, and you've got just this really pretty shimmery, easy look. I just want you to see the shifts in the shadow, just so gorgeous. And this is the shadow up close. It's the color Thrill. And really it was just these two shades. And like I said, you can take any of these shimmers, put it on top, just on the lid, and you've got just the perfect. There are a lot of warm tones, some neutrals, and then some of the cooler tones. This one and this one, like taupey, like this. So there's a good combination. This is also a cooler tone. If you like warmer toned shadows and cooler, then you're good. But if you tend to not like warmer toned shadows on yourself, then this may not be the palette for you. But I think they're pretty neutral. These shimmers, again, are just super gorgeous. I think golds, oranges look great with blue eyes, brown eyes, great. These plums with green eyes really make them stand out. We're taking this light, soft shimmer, Spontaneous. I'm gonna add that to the brow bone right here. And then just adding that to the inner corner to brighten the eye. Then I'm taking this darker brown Aspiration and I'm going ahead and lining with that. I like to extend a little bit. Then I am connecting that underneath. Okay, here you go. This is my first look with the Natasha Denona My Dream palette. I used these colors here, Thrill and Unity. I used Aspiration, the brown to line, and Spontaneous, inner corner, and the brow bone. Just an easy, simple look for every day. You could have taken any one of those shimmer colors and put it on top of that Unity color. Any of these mid-tone colors you can use in the same way I did Unity. And this is the first easy peasy look that I'm gonna do with this palette. Okay, I am back with the Natasha Denona My Dream palette. I had done a simple first look with just a few colors and an eyeline on the lid. Just took a matte, transition, and a shimmer. And I am going to now do another look using a little more shimmer and deepening the color. So building on what I already have, I am going to take this color, Familia, and deepen the crease just a little bit. I'm gonna take a Sigma E57 and I'm going to dab that in, tap the brush. It's very pigmented, and then I'm just going to tap that in that crease and then sort of fill in that corner V just at the end there. I'm going to keep building that color and filling in that just little tiny bit at the edge. And then I'm going to bring it up. I go over the crease so I can still see that brightness on the lid. Then I'm going to take more of this color and I am actually going to add it just underneath as well. Then I'm just going to take a dry brush and blend. And bring it inside and then around. I'm going up and I'm cleaning up this area as well. You can go in with concealer and do the same thing if you want it to be a little more distinct. And I just want you to see the difference between the looks. A little more defined at the crease. And this has just a lighter touch to it. We can leave it the way that it is, or we can go one more time to deepen it just a little bit more. I'm gonna go in with this eggplant color, edgy. We're gonna make it a little smokier. So I am going to tap that edgy color right there just at the edge. Building that color and blending that in, and see that that makes it quite a bit smokier at the edge. Place that color underneath again. Like a little more underneath. Kind of make it grungy and smoky. And I'm so just excited about this color vision that I want to add that to my lid to get a feel for what it looks like. All right, see the difference between the two sides again? But so many possibilities of this palette. Here is the whole look I did with some lipstick. It's the Sephora number 6. The Sephora Lip Stories number 6. And please like and follow, subscribe to my channel. I do beauty reviews, makeup tutorials, mainly eyeshadows because I love them. I do review and swatches. I also went ahead and did a little bit of a bat wing by deepening that eyeline with a liquid liner. There it is. I'm gonna do more looks with Natasha Denona because I am in love with this palette. I just want you to see these shimmers. A little closer here. I am totally in love with all the pigments, colors, and shimmers in this palette. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. I have a beauty blog and more beauty content on TikTok listed in the description below. So, thanks for watching.